Hey, hello everyone. My name is Raj, and welcome back to this YouTube channel 30CAGR. In this video, we are going to discuss about one algo tool. To be very specific, we are just going to discuss about one feature in one of our algo tools called Trade Scalper. Okay. Uh, Before we move further, in case if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and hit on bell icon so that you get all these strategies, indicators, and free algo tools. You can avail it for free of cost in future. Okay, so let's go to the chart. So this is a basic Bank Nifty futures chart, as you all can see. Maybe let me just select one chart for the sake of simplicity. All right, so we have one Bank Nifty chart and we have this tool called Trade Scalper. In case guys, if you haven't explored this tool, we have already explained about this tool in detail. You can just visit luchipalgos.com and in this you can go to Trade Scalper and you have a full detailed video, the overview of this tool. Okay, but what we are going to specifically discuss in this video is about this button called reverse, right? You can see a button called reverse below enter. So we are going to discuss about that particular button today. Okay, but before that, let me give a quick intro. This is called Trade Scalper, which is especially useful for scalpers who would like to enter into a trade along with stop loss and have the target, everything. If you want to place in less than a second, I think this is the tool that you need. Generally what happens is if you have to place a trade along with stop loss, it will take a lot of time because you need to add the stock to the market watch, select the quantity and all that, right? But here everything is preset. You can set everything beforehand and all you have to do is once you find the signal in the back end in the chart, just all you have to do is hit on enter, right? It will probably place both the target, entry, exit, everything in less than 500 milliseconds, right? We'll look at the demo anyway. So this is a trade book. We also have a trade book and okay, currently we have one running position. So let's do one thing. We will exit this position so that I can show everything right from the beginning. Let me exit. All right, the position is exited. Now we do not have any intraday positions, right? Of course, there are some positional trades that I have taken here, so please ignore these two. But what I really want to demonstrate today is, let's say that initially you have taken a short trade. Many a times what happens is, especially with scalpers, they enter into a trade and then quickly they change their view because of various reasons, right? They can change their view and they want to exit the existing trade and then enter in the opposite direction, right? That thing happens many a times with us when we are doing this day trading or scalping, right? And if you have to exit the existing trade and then if you need to enter into a new trade, that will take a lot of time. Because think about this also, let's say you have an existing trade and then you already have a stop loss also, so you need to first exit the trade and then of course cancel the stop loss, place a new trade and again place the stop loss for that also, right, in the opposite direction. So there are like actually 4 actions that you have to do. And for that reason what we have developed is we have introduced something called reverse. Okay, what this does is if you are in, let's say, buy position, then it will quickly exit the buy position, cancel the stop loss, and then it enters into the opposite direction, which is sell, and again places the stop loss exactly what you had earlier. Okay, and all these things will be done in less than a second. How good is that, right? So we'll practically see how that works in this video. So let us say first you entered into a sell call. Okay, let me just select one lot. Now we are just selecting Bank Nifty. Remember, if you just select the symbol, ATM will be automatically picked up. Okay, now I select Bank Nifty. You can see that 44,882 is the LTP, so it has picked 44,900. Okay, and I place 20 point stop loss. It will directly place it in the terminal in the exchange. And I'm also placing 20 points target. It will not place the target because it needs extra margin if you place both. So it will keep tracking, and once 20 points target is achieved, then it will come out of the trade. It cancels the stop loss, right? That's very simple. Now, let's say I am first entering into a sell position. So you can see that open positions are 0 and unrealized MTM is 0. Now let me actually put my positions here, and I'm hitting on enter. Okay, so you can see when I hit on enter, immediately within like 100 or 200 milliseconds it has fired an order, right? And you can also go to orders book and you can see that the stop loss has been placed, right? Now for whatever reason, for one or the other reasons, now I have changed my view, and immediately what I would like to do is I want to exit the trades. uh, yeah, this position I want to exit 44,900 CE, and then I would also like to cancel the stop loss and enter into opposite direction again with the stop loss. So what I will simply do is I don't need to hit on exit or exit all and then again re-enter. I will simply hit on reverse. Okay, if I hit on reverse, you can see that the existing position has been closed, and now we entered into buy. Earlier it was sell, right? Now you can see that the position is buy, and again with the stop loss, right? You have literally seen it with your naked eyes that this all happened in less than 1 second, right? So that is exactly what we are trying to achieve. In fact, in the current version we are renaming this to flip buy slash sell. Okay, and guys, there is another option that we are introducing in our next versions, that is flip CE slash PE, which means you can also flip from CE to PE instantly. Let's say you are trading in ATM call option and you want to flip it from CE to PE. Even that you can do. We are introducing another button here. So we are introducing a lot of innovative options in this. Okay, like trial to cost is coming up, and then you can exit based on MTM, you can exit based on spot price. So there are so many features that we are bringing up to this trade scalper, which is a very very powerful tool, and you can avail all those if you have access to this trade scalper. All right, that's all I would like to explain in this video about the small but very powerful feature called reverse or flip buy slash sell. And in case if you have any more questions, you can reach out to us on our WhatsApp number, or you can put it in the comments, and we will try our best to answer all your questions. Okay, thank you so much for watching the video, and if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe and hit on bell icon. Thank you, and have a good day.